This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 3. So the question states, suppose we have a balanced binary search tree. So what is a binary search tree? In which each node has at max 2 children. Okay, let us suppose like this. We can have 1 children, 0 children and 2 children. This has 0 children, it has 1 children and it has 2 children. It is a binary tree. And what is a binary search tree? It means if we have a node x, then everything on the left is less than x and everything on the right is greater than x. There is a condition that the height of a balanced binary search tree is always log base to n, where n is the number of nodes holding n numbers. We are given two numbers L and h. Let us suppose this is a tree and we are given two numbers L and h and wish to sum up all the numbers in T that lie between L and h. Okay, suppose there are m such numbers in T. If the tightest upper bound, so we have m numbers between L and h. The tightest upper bound on the time to compute the sum is n to the power a log n base to the power b m to the power c log n to the power d. Then the value of a plus 10b plus 100c plus 1000d is, okay, c. One way can be to find the in-order traversal. In-order traversal can be done in order of n. Now in-order is a sorted order. So here we will have numbers from 0 till, let us suppose n, not n, let us suppose a value x, and L and h will lie somewhere over here. Now we can find L in complexity order of, how much complexity? We have n numbers, so it will take order of log n using binary search. Then we can find h using order of log n. And what we can do, we can then sum up all the numbers between them, which will take order of m. Or we can also do one thing. First of all, do in-order traversal, find L, then do not find h, but start traversing one by one till we get h. So here the complexity comes out to be order of n plus log n plus m. So log n is a smaller term, so we can write it as order of n plus m. But there is a better approach to do so. See, how will we do so? So given a binary search tree, we can, as the height is order of log n, we can find any item in order of log n. So first what we will do, we will find L. What will the complexity? Order of log n. So what we are doing, let us suppose we are coming over here, here, then here, then here. Then all the intermediate nodes, we will keep on pushing on the stack. Okay, so we will be maintaining a stack. So time is log n till now. Now what we need to do, we need to go to m through the root path. So now we will push this L also in the stack along with other items. We will maintain a variable sum. We will initialize it to 0. Now what we will do, we will then initialize it to L. And then what we will, between L and H, let us assume including L and H. So initialize it to L. Now pop one item each, go to its right subtree. If this is the popped item, go to its right subtree and perform the in-order traversal. Till what time? Till we get H. So in-order traversal now will take just order of m time, as we have just m elements. So complexity comes out to be order of m plus log n, which is lesser than previous order of n plus m. So let us compare it with this term. So what is m? So from here we must get m, from here we must get log n, which means n to the power a should be 1, so which means a should be 0, b should be 1, m, c should be 1, and log n to the power d should be equal to 1. So anything to the power 0 is 1, so d should be 0. So we get as a plus 10b plus 100c plus 1000d. So we get a as 0, so it cancels out, d as 0, it cancels out, both as 1. So we get 10 plus 100, which is 110. So answer to this question is 110.